So I just stumbled upon this project called PythonRobotics, and it's like this treasure trove of robotics algorithms all in Python.
Wait, really? I love the idea of having a collection of algorithms in one place. What's the most interesting part?
Well, it's user-friendly, which is awesome for both beginners and experienced coders. They actually focus on practical algorithms.
That's great, but how do they keep it simple yet functional? I know some robotics libraries can be overwhelming.
Exactly, they minimize dependencies, which makes setup easier. You just need Python and a few libraries.
That sounds like a smart approach. What libraries are required?
You'll need NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, and some others. It's pretty standard stuff for data science and robotics.
Nice. So, is this for theoretical learning or practical applications too?
Both actually. They provide examples and even animations for visualization, which makes understanding concepts easier.
Visual aids can be super helpful. Do they cover topics like localization and mapping?
Yes, they dive into extended Kalman filter, particle filter, and even SLAM. It's packed.
Wow, that's a lot of ground to cover. SLAM is particularly fascinating. How do they implement it?
They use fast SLAM and ICP matching as examples. The animations really help you see how it works in real time.
I can imagine that brings the concepts to life. But what about the limitations? Does it have any?
Good question. While it's user-friendly, it might not be as comprehensive as other heavy libraries like ROS.
Right, so it's more of a starting point. I can see how it appeals to new learners.
Totally, and even experienced developers can benefit from it for quick prototyping.
I love that. I wonder if they highlight any real-world applications of these algorithms.
Yes, they encourage users to share their projects using Python Robotics. There's a whole user comment section.
That's pretty cool. Seeing real projects can definitely inspire others to dive in.
For sure, plus they have a GitHub repository to contribute to, which fosters community growth.
Community involvement is key in open source projects. Do they offer any supporting documentation?
Absolutely, they have a full documentation site and a textbook that breaks down each algorithm.
A textbook that's quite ambitious. How in-depth does it go?
It covers both theoretical backgrounds and practical examples. It's really designed for learners.
That's impressive. I guess it makes complex concepts more accessible.
Exactly, but I wonder if they oversimplify some algorithms. It's a fine balance.
Good point. Understanding the nuances is crucial in robotics. Is there a section on path planning?
Yes, they cover various techniques like Dijkstra's, and even particle swarm optimization.
That's a solid mix. Is particularly useful in navigating environments.
Exactly, it's like having a GPS for robots, which is super relevant for real-world applications.
I can see how that would be applicable in autonomous vehicles or drones.
For sure, plus they even have simulations for drone trajectory following.
No way, drones are the coolest. How do they manage obstacle avoidance?
They have algorithms that adapt in real time, adjusting paths as obstacles appear.
That's fascinating. It seems like they're covering the cutting edge of robotics.
Definitely, but I'd still be curious about their algorithm performance in real-world scenarios.
Performance testing is crucial. I hope they provide some sort of benchmarking.
I didn't see any specific benchmarks mentioned, but user feedback could provide insights.
That's fair. Real user experiences can often reveal strengths and weaknesses.
For sure, I'm excited to see how the community evolves around this project.
Same here. It could be a game changer for aspiring roboticists.
Absolutely, just think about all the innovations that could come from it.
So true. It's like a platform for future robotics breakthroughs.
Exactly, and who knows, we might be hearing about the next big robotics project coming from this.
That's exciting to think about. It's like being part of the future of technology.
Totally, I can't wait to see what comes next in this robotics journey.
Same here. I'm definitely going to keep an eye on Python robotics.
Me too, there's just so much potential to explore.